Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. Spring is here and the incentive to buy a new Kia is heating up right along with the weather. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the 2023 Telluride is here and ready for your test drive. The best way to start the process for you to get your new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive. Pick a day and time that works best for you. We'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hi, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. Looking for a subcompact SUV that doesn't compromise quality for value? Choose 2023 Kia Seltos. This month, lease the 2023 Seltos EX all-wheel drive for $239 per month for 36 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2023 Seltos include up to 35 miles per gallon fuel economy, Kia DriveWise technology, class-leading 10.25-inch touchscreen, and Kia's brand-wide, industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop in or give us a call to learn more about the 2023 Kia Seltos.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.